Looking for a highly equipped compact SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Compass Latitude in white clear coat. With black grille and black rings, gloss black fog lamp bezels, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, gloss black rear lower valance, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 14,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, SELEC-TERRAIN system, rear 60/40 folding seats, reversible carpet and vinyl cargo mat, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5596.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.